wanted to show you today how to make your own dishwashing detergent, although it should be called dishwashing soap because there's nothing harsh chemical in it. So it's going to be really quick. I use citric acid, baking soda, and washing soda, which all of these you can get off of Amazon or any natural food store, health store and stuff like that. So I use 1 cup of washing soda. And if you have little clumps in it, you can roll over your bag with a rolling pin just to get rid of the clumps. And then 1 cup of baking soda. And this has been wonderful for my dishwasher. Young Living has a wonderful dishwasher powder, but when I run out, I love using this one. It's so quick to make. And then 1/4 cup of citric acid, which you can also get on Amazon. Just a 1/4 cup of that one. It smells really, it smells nothing at all. You would think it would smell of lemon, but all of these powders don't smell like anything. So I love adding citrus fresh essential oil or lemon or tea tree to it because it helps give it like that fresh scent, and also citrus oils are known for their cleaning power. And also I like to add some salt, which is over here, just a 1/4 cup salt, and then you're done. This is just extra grinding, and that's it. And then I just fill my little compartment in the dishwasher, and that's it. That's my dishwasher powder that I just refilled. If you don't want it to clump, you can put a little sachet of rice in it.